If you visit Dhanmondi Lake, so you can have fresh foods here. You don't need to be tensed about the foods. Foods are available here. Pure drinking water is also available here. If you can manage just 30 minutes per day, please visit this place. Do exercise, walk here and make friendship with people. And at this moment, I can hear the bird song. Okay, and beside me there is a banana tree and croco. They are making noise, but I'm enjoying at this moment. And I can see different kinds of trees here. I know few names and I don't know other names also. If you want to improve your English, please make videos like me. So here I'm making video to improve my English skills, and I like to encourage my students. Please, and you know that English is an international language. Bangla is our mother tongue. We love it very much. But if you want to do anything in your life, job, business, higher education, if you want to move other country, without English you cannot do anything. So please invest time to yourself, try to improve your English and make friendship, and networking is very important. Connectivity is the productivity. Please connect with the people, love people and make friendship with them. That's all for today. Thank you very much.